Jonas take it away. I want to deliver his circle pass.
Once again, I would like to welcome you all. Absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this beautiful occasion. Okay. It is an absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this occasion, to this beautiful occasion. We are gathered here to celebrate the love and union of Miss P.K. Samakia and groom Sir B.P. Meena. Two incredible souls who have found their forever in each other. Marriage is not just about finding right person. It's all about loving and cherishing them every single day. Today, as they exchange vows and promises, let us all witness it and bless the beginning of their lifelong journey. So, let's fill this place with joy, love, and celebration. As we watch these two become one, let the ceremony begin. Thank you, Jatana Hamdai. We also fill this place with joy, love, and celebration as we watch these two become one, united in life together forever. On behalf of bride P.K. Samakia and groom B.P. Meena, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your presence here today means the world to them, and it's a testament to the love and support that surrounds them as they begin this new chapter. Some of you have traveled from near and far, and we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people coming together, but about families and friends uniting to celebrate love, joy, and lifelong commitment. So sit back, relax after this program and enjoy this beautiful celebration. Let's make this day filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. As we gather here today, we are not just witnessing a wedding, we are celebrating a love story that has brought two amazing people together, Miss PK Samatia and groom
Pati tong candle lo ke pemang yang payung mon pati wo
Mana kanya ning kangke emon rang kangge bo rang kok ta bayar ni siapa kena ni jodoh na bisa dekorasi kita mudre ekdom pure muk mistin ini right boleh apa
begitu.